everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a stunning 1968 Plymouth GTX. Beautiful car, guys. Less than 1,000 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Gorgeous car. It's finished in MM1, which is turbine bronze, black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. The factory 440 car that now has a 426, an era correct 426 Hemi in it. Great car. We're kind of rushing this video a little bit. Matter of fact, there's a couple of things that need to be done to the car, guys, but I'm going to try to take advantage of the nice weather while we have it and just get the video done. Beautifully done car. Again, it's a 440 car that's been converted to a 426 Hemi in it. But great car. 727 Torqueflite automatic. You can see it's got the Magnum 500s all the way around it. Bucket seats, console, tach. Just a very, very nice car. Very nice Mopar, guys. Really nicely done. Chrome and stainless is nice. The glass is nice. You're looking for a nice Mopar. This is a pretty, pretty car. We literally have not wiped this car down yet, so you can nitpick some of the trim here. New front bumper. It's got the hood mount turn signals. Beautiful turbine bronze metallic paint. See, the dash is nice. We're gonna have to, we're not gonna turn the wipers on. They do work, but I don't like the way they've got them clocked. We're gonna pull them back off and redo them. I just wanna make sure that, sorry, just a little dust here. Like I say, we haven't even wiped this car down. We'll make sure that they're, like I say, the wipers do work. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here. They're just not, I don't like the way they're clocked. I don't want them to kind of come down and scratch the paint. Beautiful car, though. I noticed a couple little marks in this rear glass. Again, I'm not trying to nitpick the car to death. We can sell so many cars over the internet that I like people to know what they're getting. Of course, this is not original, guys. He's had this tail panel redone. You can't find that tail panel. It's very expensive when you do find it. So he did the next best thing and just had it refinished. Again, just some dust, guys. Car is nice and straight down the sides. Got a good, I drove the car as soon as it come in. Car hits the road, excellent. Good running Hemi motor in it. Plenty of power, as you can imagine. Car's nice and flat down the sides. It has gorgeous paint on it, guys. And it's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. This car's gonna go right in our front window. We're gonna put mirrors underneath it. You can see there that, sorry, a little dirt in there. We didn't get in there and get it cleaned. Beautiful car, gorgeous car. Again, era correct, 426 Hemi. You can see does have a Mopar aluminum intake in it, Holleu dual feed 4-barrel. It's got the big tube headers on it. Car drives great, really runs and drives excellent. They've upgraded to electronic ignition. Again, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. This is actually aluminum radiator. Nicely done car. Original fender tag. Again, it is an original GTX with a 440 on it that's got the 426 Hemi transplant. 8-pillar chrome, pretty darn nice. Mirror's nice. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Look at this, I mean, just slick paint on this car. All new black vinyl interior, new black vinyl or black carpet in it. Seats have been reupholstered, all refoamed and everything. Little brakes in the steering wheel. Dash is really nice, 54,000 on the odometer. Tach works, gauges work. Haven't turned the AM radio on. It's got an X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It is a 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end. See, it's all body color like it should be. Really pretty car, guys. Again, just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Got it up on the hoist, got some good pictures of it for you. Lights work. Go ahead, Jordy. Nice and smooth. Car runs strong. I know we got to get the turn signals looked at. I think it needs a new flasher switch. Again, gauges are all functional. A little rev there, Jordy. Runs strong, man. Try that radio, Jordy. No. Blower motor. Door shut nice. Blower motor working. Again, we're not going to touch the wipers. I want to get those reclocked. Headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our YouTube page, or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. We lost one of our bulbs there. Probably just a little connection. Boy, that is a pretty car.